Hi dears, let's discuss on the best gazebos for camping and also try to understand for selecting one of them. We want to help you create the perfect outdoor gathering space for family and friends. Introducing our best gazebos for camping that will comfortably shade any outdoor location, making it the perfect addition to your backyard cooking party. Before continue this video, don't skip it. If you are new on our channel, then like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for watching latest videos. Below, some 5 best gazebos for camping are available in the description of this video. Number 5. Coleman Back Home Instant Screenhouse. The Coleman Back Home Instant Screenhouse measures 12x10 and has a 100 center height. In total, the design offers 90 square feet of protection, with ample room to move around comfortably. The total packing weight of this outdoor gazebo is approximately 45 pounds. This gazebo's telescopic poles are easy to extend thanks to its pinch-free comfort grip (TM) technology. To make setup even easier, this screenhouse gazebo features large feet which you can step on when extending the poles into place. No matter how tall you are, anyone can set up this tent quickly and easily. The Coleman Back Home Instant Screenhouse offers excellent protection against the sun's harmful rays. The shell of this gazebo is made from UV Guard (TM) material. This rugged polyester fabric provides 50+ UPF sun protection, which is more than enough to keep you safe and shielded from hazardous UV rays. Furthermore, this green tent comes with a wheeled carry bag for extra portability. Plus, ground stakes and pre-attached guy lines are included for additional support. This tent comes with a 1-year limited warranty, making it a risk-free purchase. If you're not satisfied, simply send it back for a full refund. This bestseller from Coleman is a budget-friendly, easy setup option that's perfect for escaping the sun, rain, and insects. Features: portable screen shelter offers protection from the sun, wind, and bugs. Sets up in 3 minutes in just 3 steps. Made of durable Polyguard 2X double thick fabric with UV Guard 50+ UPF sun protection. 2 large doors for easy access in the front and at the back. Included easy pull wheeled carry bag fits inside most cars. Number 4. Coleman Instant Gazebo Canopy Tent. The Coleman Instant Gazebo Canopy Tent is an instant sunshade shelter designed for a quick and easy setup. This canopy tent is available in 3 different sizes: 10x10, 12x12, and 16x8, all featuring a quick setup. Not only will this gazebo protect you from the sun, but it will also keep you feeling cool and refreshed thanks to vented air roof releases. The 10x10 Coleman Instant Gazebo Canopy Tent weighs a total of 35 pounds and has a center height of 112 inches. This canopy tent includes a wheeled carry bag that's made from heavy-duty fabric. It also comes with ground stakes and pre-attached guy lines for extra support in windy conditions. The main attraction of the Coleman Instant Gazebo Canopy Tent is its quick setup. According to Coleman, setup can be achieved in under 3 minutes. It took us 5 minutes, which is still amazing. The secret to its easy setup revolves around its comfort grip technology. This refers to the tent's telescopic poles that can be quickly extended and locked in place. This process is pinch and hassle-free and makes setup a breeze. Furthermore, this canopy tent is covered by a limited 1-year product warranty. Features: sun protection. UV Guard material offers UPF 50+ sun protection. Quick setup in as fast as 3 minutes. 1-piece frame folds down for compact storage. Comfort grip locks shelter into place for pinch-free pole extending. Built to last, double-thick fabric stands up to the elements season after season. Ground stakes and pre-attached guy lines withstand strong winds. Protect yourself from dangerous UV rays under a sun shelter made of UPF 50+ UV Guard material. Keep the bugs from ruining your day out under a canopy with screen walls. Number 3. Alvin Screenhouse Room. This camping gazebo from Alvin is a great choice for those that want to pack light. The whole gazebo only weighs around 9 pounds and folds into a very compact carrying bag that's easy to bring around. On top of that, no setup is needed when you finally want to pop the gazebo out thanks to its instant pop-up build. It comes in 4 different sizes, which are 6x6, x6.5, 10x10x7, 12x12x, 7.5, and 15x15, x8.5. So you can easily find the right one for you. This is a very roomy gazebo with a large entrance door and fabric top that offers UV protection. It also has mesh screenings to prevent pests like mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs that you might encounter on a camping trip. Pop-up design allows this screen house to open automatically, Comes with 4 sandbags, 8 skylines, 8 mounting stakes, strengthen the stability in windy condition. Roof is made of 210D Oxford fabric. This makes the roof durable and protects it from cracking and ripping. 50+ UV protection helps protect you and your loved ones from the harsh sun. Alvin 4 mesh walls. Screen house measures 6'6'6.5". Innovative folding technique is easy to fold down and make carry bag compact. Diameter 43.3 x 2.4 easy for storage. Features: DSIGN patented lightest pop-up screen room for 2-3 adults is only 9 pounds. Lighter than other similar items. Alvin tent frame is made of fiberglass, lightweight and long-last. Alvin breezy hexagonal screen house is 6'6'6.5". Fabric top provides an all-day UPF 50+ UV protection against burning sun, not waterproof and not rainproof. Creative fiberglass ribs is automatic open. 4 mesh netting screen walls protect your family and food. Extra hook for your coat, bag or something else. Number 2. Ever Advanced Camping Gazebo. The great thing about this camping gazebo is that it's very compact once folded together. Once packed together, this camping gazebo weighs just 21.6 oz and measures 28.3 x 7.9 x 7.9. One of the most notable features of this pop-up camping shelter is how quickly you can set it up. To give you a little bit of an idea, you can pop up this shelter in seconds along. When it comes to packing it together, the process is just as simple. Despite its great level of protection against insects, this 6-mesh tent also supplies 360-degree ventilation. So, if you end up camping in the summer, rest assured that you will remain cool. Should you decide to make use of this camping shelter, you can take advantage of a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. 6-mesh tent walls panels supply 360-degree ventilation and for better dissipation of body heat. Also provides excellent views of the outdoors. Open size of this backyard tent is 12 x 10 FT, 84-inch height. The pack size is 28.3 x 7.9 x 7.9 inches, foldable to a compact size for storage and carry. Item weight is 19.62 pounds. The screen tent has enough space for 8-10 adults. Screen and canopy for camping. Setup with no extra tools needed. 6-mesh tent walls panel supply 360-degree ventilation and for better dissipation of body heat. Perfect for the garden, backyard, or during outdoor travels for parties. Features: the frame of this screen house tent is composed of 4 types of poles. It can be a pity to let harsh sunlight or even a passing rain shower drive you into your home or camping shelter. Ever Advanced Screen Tent will provide spacious space to move around, dinner, and relax. This camping screen room is durable. The weight is heavy, but it also means it will last. The poles are all connected by the stretch rope in the middle, which makes them easy to fold and store. Number 1. Uomax Easy Pop-Up Canopy Tent. This pop-up canopy tent measures a spacious 10x10 and can be set up in 5 different ways, including 3 heights. At the maximum setting, this canopy tent will provide you with 11th of center height. As the Uomax Easy Pop-Up Canopy Tent has a commercial-grade appeal, it is often used for professional use at festivals and markets. In other words, it's more than sturdy enough for casual events, including camping, backyard BBQ, or as a sunshade at the beach. This pop-up canopy tent by Uomax Easy features a powder-coated steel frame. This steel frame is rust-resistant and less prone to bending. The canopy is made of rugged 500 denier polyester fabric and provides up to 99% UV protection against harmful sun rays. The Uomax Easy Pop-Up Canopy Tent also comes with 8x250 stakes and 0.8 inches of guy rope, which allows you to secure it firmly in place. A big perk of the pop-up canopy tent by Uomax Easy is its sheer amount of setup options. Use it without sidewalls, with all 4 sidewalls, or with 1 or 2 depending on which direction the sun is shining. The only downside to this camping gazebo is its total weight. All in all, it weighs 70 pounds. Features: Uomax has the largest selection in shelter products such as pop-up canopies, gazebos, partisans, parasols, and marquees. Waterproof, blocks 99% UV sun rays, CPI 84 fire retardant certificated. Powder coat steel frame prevent chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. Easy to install and remove with no tools. Usage: commercial or recreational use, outdoor events, camping, picnics, parties, and sporting events. Ensures proper top fit and form and includes built accessory hooks. You can check the prices and other related details by using the links given in the description box. Other than these, you can check all of them for your own satisfaction. We hope you like this video, and this complete review guide will be helpful for you. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel